Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's still Tuesday, August the 23rd, 2022. I've already solved three puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, the binary, and now it's time for the Suguru. Yes, in Japanese they call it Suguru, English Tectonic, in Dutch Cijferblok, with 4 stars. And for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Yeah, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? That's the question. But this will be number 5061. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 15 printed digits, I believe. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 15. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 15 printed digits. Should be an easy one. We will see if this is really an easy one. Okay, first question. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box or boxes is always a 1. I see only one single box, always a 1. Can we see here the dual boxes? I see here a dual box. The 2 is already filled in, so this box should be a 1. Here also a dual box contains the 1 and the 2. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Triple boxes then. Can we see here triple boxes? I see here a triple box. Well, this box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. And the other 2 numbers, the 1 and the 2, could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the inside box, the box near the middle box, the inside box is always 4 or a 5. Okay. Only one triple box? Yes. Quadra boxes. Do we have quadra boxes in this puzzle? Let me scan. No quadra boxes. Well, then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, some structures or constructions. For example, we have here the Z or the S construction. Let me draw this here. Alright, when you see this Z or the S construction, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box, but also that box has the same name as this box. So that box has the same name as this box. Okay, so in this case it's a 4 or a 5 in this box. Only one Z or S construction. Then the following figure or shape or construction, structure, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. So this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. All right, more T shapes. Yeah, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. And that box has the same name as this box. 2 T shapes or figure. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. All right. More of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. More of these kind of shapes here, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Another one. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. And those are the shapes that you need to... Oh, no. We have one more, I believe. The L shape. I see here the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this puzzle, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this S construction or S shape should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 here, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. Then. Well, these are 3 boxes surround the 4. Can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These are 3 boxes surround a 5. Can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there in this area. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. Now we have a 4 here, so it can be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5 and is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 2 missing numbers in this Z or S construction for numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. Let me mark those 1 and 5, 1 and 5. These 2 boxes can be 5. Those 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 1. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Well, this box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These are 3 boxes surround the 1. Can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Interesting. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be a 4, can be a 5. It's in the same area. Yes, definitely a 3. 1 box left in this area for numbers for number 4. All right. Then. Come on. These are 3 boxes surround a 5. Can it be a 5? This box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. Let me think. Come on. These two boxes can be 5. Those two boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 3 can be a 3. So the 3 could be here. Could be there. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 5 can be a 5. So the 5 could be here. Could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. This box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this L-shaped area should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 4 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 2 and 3. Okay. We go down. Go down. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. So if I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. Here can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 2 and 4. But we already have a 2 there, so it can be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 4. And it's connected with that box. Should be also a 4. 1 box left in this area for number 2. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 3. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 2 and the 4. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 2. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 2. Let me mark those 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. The difficult part. Let me see. 1, 2, 5, 3 or a 4. Well, this box can be 1, can be 2, could be a 3, could be a 4, can be a 5, 3 or 4. But we have a double 3 here. We have a double 3 there. That means that this box can be 3 and more. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be definitely a 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2. I'm thinking. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. Can it be a 4? Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely 2. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 3. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 1. 2 numbers left. A 3 and a 1 in this area. We have a 1 there. So no 1 there. 1 should be here. And a 3 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. Finish in 50 minutes. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again, yes, tomorrow on a Wednesday. So have a great and fantastic Tuesday. Until then, bye bye for now.